Welcome to Parris RV, and here's a look at another great deal from our huge selection of RVs, fifth wheels, and travel trailers. And it comes equipped with AM/FM CD DVD player, U-shaped dinette, outside gas grill, solid surface kitchen countertops, mirrored wardrobe doors, pull-out spray faucet, ceiling fan, bath and a half, double door refrigerator, double bed bunks, sleeps up to 9 people, convection microwave, living area television, overhead storage, LED interior lighting, triple slides, power awning, kitchen pantry, electric stabilizer jacks, stainless double kitchen sink. Master bathroom has a sink, toilet, and shower with a door. Parris RV is located in the heart of Salt Lake County and specializes in sales, service, and RV parts. We carry new and used travel trailers, tent trailers, fifth wheels, toy haulers, and motorhomes. Parris RV is family owned and operated with over 25 years of experience in the RV industry. Parris RV is the perfect place to shop. We're the #1 camping trailer and travel trailer dealer in the state. With over 26 brands to choose from and over 400 units in stock, you're sure to find the right RV for your family. Come see us today.